What's good, everyone? So we still have about 20 minutes till market open, but we are just in a good area of a bounce. So I just started recording a little earlier than normal. So as you can see, I'm just trying to see if we can get a nice candle close above this black line I have here, which we are fairly close to doing. So I just started recording a little bit earlier. So if we are able to close above that black line, I would expect to see a little bit of a bounce. Haven't closed above it yet. This candle high is at 104.5. This candle high is at 104.25. So it's just a tick away from being closed. Oh, we get that closed. Let's put a
order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, now let's see if we're able to get our fill. Well, maybe I should have paid attention on the 55, because on the 55 we actually closed right above it too. If this doesn't work, it's alright. If we don't come back to my area of fill, it's okay, because I still have an area up here that I am interested in as well, to see if we respect that. 144 candle did close somewhat nice. If I paid attention to that 55, we were able to close above it. Then we probably would have already been done with the day, which would have been nice. But we're gonna see what happens here. Yeah, just gonna be patient, especially since it's pre-market. About still 18 minutes left till market closes. It'll be not as volatile during the market time, so might not even get filled here. I do think if we are able to get a down close below this candle low, I might not enter. Or it'll just be a little tricky. Just because we would have our model play, because we are in a retracement area on the 144 and the 233 to the downside. But we still haven't hit that 1-to-1 yet, so I still feel fine about it. I might cancel it, actually.
Order canceled.
Just because we did get the model play to the downside here. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. And we're below like the EMAs and everything. Or do I just do it? I gotta trust yourself.
Order submitted.
You gotta trust your model. Where's this point of control at? Right there. I would definitely say if we get if we get a close below here, then it'll be a little suspect. But we still haven't touched this point of control area, so I think I'm okay with it. Let me actually draw a line real quick here. I'm just gonna take a tiny L here, I think, before anything major happens. But you gotta trust your model. You gotta trust your model. Yeah, I'm not liking how this is looking. I might just manually close here.
Order filled.
I just manually closed for a loss. I just wasn't liking how it was going. Where's this point of control at, actually, of this order block? Because I might take another entry. Oh, it's all the way down here. Okay, once we get down here, I might take another entry. Alright, we got to that area. 2080. I might take another entry here.
Order submitted.
Just because we're at that point of control area. Stop just below this low. I would expect a little bit of a bounce to at least up here, ideally. I'm gonna move my stop just a little bit higher, just maybe to below here. Okay, I do like seeing this red here. And if we can get an up close candle here, that would be even better. Or I might just manually close out as well. Or I might just move my stop loss to here. Okay, we're getting a decent bounce. If we can stay as an up close candle, that would be perfect. I might move my stop to like just below this red circle, to be honest. I might manually close out for tiny L. Or maybe I'll just wait till my stop gets hit. I would say this, either down here or below here would be a good stop. I might keep it as the OG stop area. That risk to reward ratio is still decent. Okay, I do like this. We weren't able to close below this low on the first touch. We kind of just wicked below. So now let's see if we can just kind of have a bounce up. I would like to see it bounce up and back into this yellow box region. I'm tempted to just manually close again, to be honest. Or I might just have my stop loss just below this candle low. Market's going to be opening in about 9 minutes here. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to bounce, so I might manually close. I don't like how we're kind of holding below this buy and this sell area, to be honest. I'm still trusting the model though. Okay, if we can get another up close candle above this down close candle high, I think we should be good. But we're just kind of fighting all this buying and selling pressure that was here, this volume. So we need to be able to kind of get above that. Doesn't look like price kind of wants to go back above it. The market's going to open in about 5 minutes here. Maybe we'll get that nice market push to the upside. A market open. Let's see. What's this candle low? 79.75. What's this candle low at? 79.75. If this is forming candle as an up close candle, it's gonna close right at the equal high of this candle. Ooh. Market's scaring me a little bit with this. Okay, nice. We're getting a push up. Let's see if we're able to hold that push up. All right, yep. I think we should be good. Could move my stop to just below this low. Okay, nice. We just need like another 10 or so points. 10 to 15 points to the upside. Might move stop to break even. Might move my stop. Might trim my stop.
Order submitted.
All right, nice. With that, we're all done. Accounts are locked. And let's see if we do get to that 1-to-1. But we're also in that area right here to the potential downside. So if we do break this high, then there is more room to the upside. See, I was getting nervous here for a second. Oh, look, we are kind of rejecting this area. I'm just interested to see what market's going to do at market open. But you see, you trust your model. Even when it doesn't look good, you got to trust your model. And everything will play out just fine. At least most of the time. But yeah, on that, we rode about 25 points to the upside, which is good. And here, I wouldn't be surprised if we do end up kind of going back to the downside. Just because there's one setup to the long here, and then another setup to the short there. So if we get any confirmed close to the downside somewhere here, excuse me, we're probably going to be moving down. Yeah, that 1-to-1 was somewhere up here. I'm glad I did close my position there a little bit earlier, because I definitely would have been in a lot more drawdown. But I just entered my position at that point of control area. Market's gonna open in less than a minute here. I mean, we're already done with the day pre-market, which is good. You know, it's just nice early start to the day. Accounts are all locked, so no more trading possible, which is good. Let's see, we got 15 seconds till market opens. I just want to see like which direction the market's going to be going, if it's going to be pushing up or if it's going to be pushing back down below this low right here. Because if we do push up, then my next area of interest would be here at the 160s. If we close below this low, then we might be pushing down. Okay, yeah, we might be pushing down. I would probably enter for a quick short here. Say I got in around 95.5. Yeah, and we would have hit my 10 points just about there. Yeah, and if I went short right there, then would have been done for the day as well. So I guess market's just gonna keep going down. Cool. Yeah, this was a little interesting entry, I would say, but definitely just gotta trust your model. Even though it didn't perfectly go to like that 1-to-1 all the way up here, it did touch that -50 level. So since it touched that -50 level, I would say it's best to kind of either just secure your profit there or just bring your stop loss to break even, because 50% is kind of the area where you can see price start to retrace, as we kind of see here. It touched 50% after we touched back into this order block zone and just started moving to the downside. But also, I wasn't feeling this setup too much in the beginning of my first entry, just because we did get my model play exactly right here, and you can see that we do end up respecting price to the downside. So this would have been like another entry I would have taken if my accounts were unlocked, or if I didn't see this first entry, if I didn't want to take an entry like pre-market. But that's pretty much my trading day on a Friday, so it's pretty nice and quick. Yeah, just stay true to your model, and good things will come out. And as you can see, we've been staying true to our model for the past couple of days, and nothing but goodness. And when we haven't been following our model for I think it was 3 days, we were kind of just doing whatever. We were losing more than we definitely would have wanted to, and we were over trading and everything. So just stay true to your model and everything will be good. Peace.